electronic configurations and types of elements, S, P, D, F blocks. The long form of periodic table can be divided into 4 main blocks. These are S, P, D and F blocks. There are 2 exceptions to this categorization. First is helium, which belongs to S block elements, but it is placed in P block elements because its outermost shell is completely filled, that is 1s2. Second is hydrogen, as it has single electron, so it can be placed in S block, and it can also gain an electron and behaves as the elements in group 17. So, due to this, it is placed at the top of periodic table. The S block elements. The elements in which the last electron enters the S subshell of their outermost energy level are called S block elements. This block is situated at extreme left of the periodic table. It contains elements of group 1 and 2. Their general configuration is where N represents the outermost shell. The elements of group 1 are called alkali metals, whereas the elements of group 2 are called alkaline earth metals. The P block elements. The elements in which the last electron enters the P subshell of their outermost energy level are called P block elements. The exception is helium. The general configuration of their outermost shell is: Group 18 contains noble gases and their electronic configuration is: the elements of group 17 are called halogens and the elements of group 16 are called chalcogen. They readily gain an electron to attain stable configuration. The D block elements, transition elements. The D block elements are the elements with electronic configurations in which the d orbitals are being partially filled. Their general electronic configuration is: general characteristics of D block elements are: they form colored complexes. Most of them exhibit paramagnetism. Most of them possess catalytic properties. They form alloy. For example, brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. The F block elements. Inner transition elements. The F block consists of 2 rows of elements at the bottom of the periodic table called as lanthanoids and actinoids. Their general electronic configuration is: where N represents the outermost shell, they consist of 2 series of elements placed at the bottom. The first series follow lanthanum and are called lanthanoids, whereas second series follow actinium and are called actinoids. General characteristics of F block elements are: they show variable oxidation states. They are high melting metals. They have high densities. Most of the elements of actinide series are radioactive.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.